Hi everyone, my name is Charity Yang and I'll be teaching you about phosphorus. This is the overview of my presentation and everything that I'll be talking about today. First off, we have the background. Phosphorus is the second most abundant mineral in the body, and 85% of the body's phosphorus is combined with calcium for bones and teeth. The remaining of phosphorus is in the muscles, cell membranes, and intracellular fluids. About 70% of phosphorus is absorbed in the small intestine. Vitamin D enhances absorption of phosphorus, but magnesium, calcium, and aluminum decrease absorption. Parathyroid hormone, also known as PTH, stimulates resorption of phosphorus, which is the taking of phosphorus from bones in order to increase blood levels of phosphorus. PTH also stimulates kidneys to excrete phosphorus through urine. Most phosphorus is excreted in the urine, but others can be lost in the feces. Food sources. Phosphorus is most abundant in animal sources such as meat, dairy, fish, and poultry. Plant sources such as beans, peas, nuts, and cereal grains contain phosphorus in the form of phytates. Phytates, however, are only 50% bioavailable, meaning that only 50% of the phosphorus can be absorbed. For our RDA calculation, it will be the amount of phosphorus in milligrams divided by the RDA for phosphorus multiplied by 100. The RDA for phosphorus is the same for both male and females. Birth to 6 months is 100 milligrams. 1 to 3 years is 460 milligrams. 4 to 8 years is 500 milligrams. 9 to 18 years is 1250 milligrams. 19 years and older is 700 milligrams. However, Americans on the daily consume 1,000 milligrams of phosphorus. An example for the RDA calculation is an adult female eating 3 ounces of cooked flank steak has 227 milligrams of phosphorus. You would divide that by 700 and multiply that by 100 to get 32.4%. Metabolic functions. Phosphorus plays a key role with calcium in the formation of hydroxyapatite crystalline, which is an inorganic mineral in human bone and teeth, and it plays a role in the structural strength of bone and regeneration. There's about half as much total phosphorus in the bone as there is calcium. Phosphorus makes up cell membranes in the form of phospholipids. They act as a barrier to keep stuff in and shut stuff out of the cells. Phosphorus in creatine phosphate is also found in muscles and can be provided to ADP to form ATP. Phosphorus acts as a buffer by binding or releasing hydrogens when the blood becomes too acidic. Phosphorus is also a component of the backbone of DNA and RNA molecules. Symptoms of deficiency can be muscle weakness, bone pain, confusion, death, or rickets in children, which is the deformation of bone growth due to the deficiency of phosphorus. Hypophosphatemia is the dangerously low blood levels of phosphorus. However, a person would need to be near starvation before experiencing a phosphorus deficiency. Symptoms of toxicity. Consuming too much leads to hyperphosphatemia. Symptoms of hyperphosphatemia include muscle cramps and spasms, and numbness or tingling in the feet or hands. Hyperphosphatemia is only an issue for individuals with kidney problems. This is because the person is not able to excrete the excess phosphorus. High phosphorus levels and low calcium intake can cause loss of calcium from bones and a decrease in bone mass, which increases the risk of osteoporosis. It can also lead to calcification, which is the body depositing calcium in soft tissues such as arteries or kidneys. The UL, also known as tolerable upper intake level for phosphorus, has been set at 4,000 milligrams daily for ages 19 through 50 and 3,000 milligrams for 50 and up. This means that for an average person from ages 19 through 50, they can only consume 4,000 milligrams daily at most in order to not get any negative side effects. And ages 50 and up can only consume at most 3,000 milligrams daily to avoid risks. To conclude, animal sources are the most abundant source for phosphorus. Phosphorus combined with calcium help form bones and teeth. Hyperphosphatemia occurs when there are excessive levels of phosphorus. Hypophosphatemia occurs when there's deficient levels of phosphorus in the blood. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned more about phosphorus today.